Yes. Okay, Colleen Jurgens. She asks, will this laundry soap remove the smell from workout clothes? I haven't found anything that works on sport tech shirts.
Colleen, yes, it will, absolutely. As a matter of fact, that's why we designed this stuff.
Yep.
So it strips out what I like to call the perma stink.
Ew.
These synthetic fabrics tend to lock onto the softener compounds found in most detergents, and then the body odor molecules link into that, and suddenly it's stuck and you can't get it loose. So a shirt that you pull out of the dryer smells great until 5 minutes after you put it on, and it suddenly smells horrible again. Well, the Sports Edge doesn't have any of those softening compounds in it to leave on the fabric, so you don't contribute to that. Plus, it's designed to strip the old softening compounds off the fabric, which means it's going to wear away that bad smell. Now, if you've had that shirt a while, there's probably a fair amount of buildup there, and it can be pretty aggressive. So it may take several launderings for that to really reach its full effect, but you will notice a difference after one wash in Sports Edge.
You know, that's really awesome because you all know that these workout clothes, they're pretty expensive.
Yeah, they're not
cheap. No, and so if you're able to revitalize that and get that stink out of it, that's worth
It's
it
a lot
right
better
there.
than throwing it away for sure.
Oh, absolutely.
Welcome to the Odo Show.